Seeing a lot of lightning associated with this thunderstorm as well. But again, lightning isn't what makes a storm severe. It's 60-mile-per-hour winds that are possible with this storm, along with quarter-size hail. Yesterday, it was moving at 2 miles per hour. Most humans walk faster than 2 miles per hour. We're seeing scattered showers across the area this morning. Not an incredibly heavy rain, but enough to cause a bit of a nuisance. But we've actually just seen a severe thunderstorm warning issued for Marys County until 11 p.m. This storm capable of producing 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and small hail. So I wanted to go ahead and put a track on this storm as it's moving to the northeast at about 30 miles per hour. At 2 o'clock, we're seeing that snow in our northern counties. You can see that reduced visibility, and that continues by 5:30 in the evening as we see that widespread snow across the region. So I do think that could cause some impacts to your travel in the afternoon and evening hours. We are seeing slow going, especially on Highway 63 this morning. Looking at our roads right now, we are actually driving up on where we saw that turnover accident earlier this morning, and it looks like that has been cleared. We do have one warning, but that has moved outside of our viewing area. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch that continues for Saline and Pettis County until 11 p.m. and a watch for Morgan, Miller, Marys, and Camden County until 1 a.m. Remember, a watch means we're watching the potential for severe weather. A severe thunderstorm warning was issued at 6:32, lasting until 7:30 for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and torrential rain. That storm hit the Branson area around 7 o'clock, so there was almost 30 minutes of warning. As long as we clear, we will likely see another round of showers and thunderstorms. Those will also have the potential to be severe as long as the atmosphere recovers. Strong winds, large hail going to be the main concerns. We could see some heavy downpours, and we can't completely rule out the possibility of an isolated tornado, but strong winds and large hail are certainly going to be the main concern. Looking at our precipcast, that line of thunderstorms we have right now pushes off by 2 o'clock. Most of us seeing that clearing, but then to our northwest, this next line of thunderstorms will move in 32 degrees and just above that. And what happens is these snowflakes fall. They actually start to melt as they fall through the atmosphere, and a liquid layer forms around them. That liquid layer acts like a glue, and snowflakes start sticking together. 7 days away, next Saturday, is the first day of fall, and while sweater weather season is upon us, today we just have sweaty weather. High temperatures reach the upper 80s for this afternoon. Again, a non-injury accident, but probably causing some delays there. Another accident to report to you due to a motor vehicle collision. This is on I-70 westbound on the Missouri River Bridge, and you can see that backup coming in here. So we're going to continue to watch these accidents, and we'll keep you updated. All is clear. Lots of green on the map, only seeing those slowdowns in those typical places along Stadium and along Providence as well. Same thing in Jefferson City. Smooth sailing out there. Not even seeing slowdowns in the typical places there. Maybe some folks are taking the day off to enjoy those warmer temperatures. It is cloudy, and that cloud cover drifted in after this cold front moved through earlier today. That shifted our winds to the north. That's the cool weather direction, and it has ushered in cooler temperatures that are going to be with us through the weekend. Also watching this area of rain to the west of Kansas City. This is going to continue to track to the east as we go through the overnight hours, and we'll see some spotty showers as we head into our Saturday morning. Let's track it for you hour by hour on Precipcast. By 5 a.m., seeing those scattered showers mainly along and north of I-70. Not everyone's going to pick up on rain. In fact, many of us won't see any rain at all. It's going to be a mainly dry day, and those areas that do see rain will likely see less than 1/10 of an inch. Those rain chances stay mainly along and north of I-70 with a lot of cloud cover in between, and that cloud cover is just going to be sticking with us through a good chunk of the day. But look what happens as we head into the afternoon hours. By 5 o'clock, we'll start to see that cloud cover breaking apart. We'll see a lot more sunshine in the forecast. That clearing occurs as this warm front lifts to the north. Here's our precipcast, 7 o'clock. That warm front basically parked right over I-70. So as we go through the afternoon, likely going to be warmer to the south and cooler to the north. Let's take a look at our tempcast to sum this up for you. Our Saturday afternoon, 60s along and north of I-70, 70s along and south of I-70. Parts of northwest Missouri, though, may not even reach 60 degrees, with highs staying in the 50s. As we go through Sunday, that warm front parks itself to the north and it stalls out. This is going to be a boundary we continue to watch over the next several days, but I do think highs return to the 80s for most of in Missouri, and those 80s will continue continue to settle in as we head into Monday. But look at this boundary. You can see it here across northwest Missouri. If that's just a little bit further to the south, we may see some impacts to our forecast. Our numbers may be too high. If it's a little further to the north, our numbers may be too low. So this is going to be something we continue to watch, and we'll keep you updated with the latest forecast right here on KOMU8 News and, of course, on the free KOMU8 Weather and Traffic app. For tonight, though, we see that cloud cover sticking around. Temperatures near 47 degrees, winds out of the northeast at 8 to 12 miles per hour. Heading through the day Saturday, a high near 69 degrees. Now, that's on average, and those winds will be shifting from the northeast to the southeast as that warm front pushes through. It will be breezy at times with winds out of the southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Those 80s are here for Sunday, and they settle in for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Thursday will be a little bit cooler as our next system starts to move into the region. Chances of showers and thunderstorms return to the forecast as well associated with that. And on Wednesday, it's looking pretty breezy as of right now.
Thanks for waking up with us this morning. Booed Matt Beckwith with his frost advisory.
Not Matt.
So
I'm just the messenger. I'm like a waiter. I tell you what's in the soup. I didn't make it myself.
You're a frosty waiter right
now. I know. But it's going to be nice this afternoon. Lots of sunshine. First question Jordan asked me today.
What was the pollen count? That was my first question in the door.
Not good morning. It was, what is the pollen count
today? Matt, thank you so much.